Yeah, but that's a Honda though.
Yeah, that's why they're ranked better.
Perhaps. Depends. So you would rather have year for year? Would you rather have the last year 2013 G37 or 2013 Honda Accord?
2013 Honda Accord.
It's not the first lie he's told today.
That's
Probably the third.
Who you rolling with?
Wait, don't tell them no ideas. Wait, you ain't giving no ideas. Okay.
The shirt from Ozzy Oz the Virus.
Okay. Well, we got the Ozzy shirt on. Let me get a little zoom in.
Ozzy Oz the Virus.
Oh, where's the steering wheel, cuz? Where's the nitrous pump?
Where's it at? Where is it? Where is
You
it?
gotta go get the Rig Boost
Hey,
Cup to keep
y'all
your
gotta
stuff
make
cool.
sure y'all drinking out the Rig Boost Cup, okay? If you're not drinking out the Rig Boost Cup, your drink does not taste the same as ours. You're gonna be parched.
And you gotta extend the pinky.
Hey, this is how you drink when you're thirsty.
You gotta protect your vision. You gotta make sure you with.
Is that Dragon wear?
Dragon Spit.
Oh!
You gotta holler at JDI to get your push button start. And whatever you're ready to get your cooling stuff right, you go with Mishimoto.
Give my man a radiator or something. Good grip, hand-cooked tires. We are at the one and only Enjuku Racing. It is Monday. Why are we here?
They're gonna be doing a little bit of work on the car.
We'll work on that. Hold that thought. We'll figure it out. Wow, this exhaust sounds real good. Rig Boost Edition Skyline. A.K.O.M imports.
So if you do have rear cars such as JDM imports or anything like that, if Enjuku Racing won't touch your car, we got Drizza in Tavares, Florida.
Drizza, let me zoom in on that. Drizza, baby! We're leaving Enjuku right now. The car is dropped off, and we should be back tomorrow to pick it up and show you guys what's all been done to it. Oh, should we show them what we got in the back seat? We'll show them later. Okay, all right. Real quick, this is a rare moment. I got Mr. JDM Owl, the Mad King right here, working on a Mustang. Look, just in case y'all don't believe me, I'm gonna let you see the horse. All right, Vinyl Frog has some of the best colors. Go holla at Vinyl Frog. Discount code A.K.O.M. Yep. Who else get to walk through the back of Enjuku Racing? Stop playing with us, man. What's up, bro? Talk to me. Got the suspenders on. Now this is a man hard at work. That is a man hard at work. You got the suspenders on. He got the bang energy in the other hand.
Bang, bang, cuz.
Bang, bang.
Origin Lab, you know what I'm
Okay,
saying? Like,
Origin Labs. Say that again. You bought them what?
And I forgot it at the house.
Oh.
It would have been perfect.
So you're supposed to come here to give me the hat, but instead you just came here to check out.
Yeah, my
check out
car
the
that's on the lift. Yeah, pretty much.
Yes.
Who makes that car? What's the badge of that car, sir?
It's in an oval shape.
Oh, it's an oval.
Starts with an I, ends with an I. It's a great daily driver. It's a journey, man. It's got power passenger seat.
You heard what he said.
So does my Honda Accord.
Yeah, but that's a Honda though.
Yeah, that's why they're ranked better.
Perhaps. Depends. So you would rather have year for year? Would you rather have the last year 2013 G37 or 2013 Honda Accord?
2013 Honda Accord.
It's not the first lie he's told today.
That's
Probably the third lie.
how can you ever go wrong with
That's
a
number
Honda?
4.
You can't. No, you're absolutely right. You can't. I mean, we might as well bring in Toyota Camrys into the picture then.
Yeah, exactly.
If you're gonna do
But
so.
we're already talking about Hondas and Infinities at the moment.
I don't know. I like the body lines on the new Accord though.
But this is my thing.
On the new,
On the new Accord is real nice.
And they're 2.0 turbos.
They are
as well,
2.0 and they
oh,
quick.
bump.
They quick.
Oh,
yeah,
for sure. Yeah.
yeah.
I ran one with that G37. It was he only had me by half car. I'm like, bro, your car is like 3 times worth the G37.
I think with the older Infinities like G37, G35 and stuff like that, because I've seen so many of them clapped out already. Where I could go take a clapped out Honda Accord and still get 200,000 miles out of it.
We got the Ghoul at Enjuku Racing, baby.
But they finally fixed. They only fixed it in the last year.
Bottom out into here.
Uh-huh.
You can't get that nut tight while you have an exhaust gap here.
God.
Cut it, weld it, move it up, and put the rest of the exhaust on that one.
Okay. But still the subframe in the rear is a problem.
I don't like it. It don't seem safe to me.
I know. Drizzy even said that, show. You can see how much passion this shit got.
You want quiet exhaust or you want?
I prefer it quiet.
For real?
I'm not into all that super loud stuff. I still want to be able to talk to somebody in the car.
Are you sure?
Yes, for sure.
Okay, all right. Y'all ever? If y'all want to see a man that just got happy all of a sudden, look.
The hole in his pants, you came out of nowhere. What's going on, man?
Hole in his pants.
What are you talking about?
Let me see that hole, man.
Ready? When Driz is done, then I'll bring it back for Ant to look at it. Because Ant's going to find something else wrong with it.
It's not my fault. I have OCD.
Repeat that again.
It's the only S chassis that came in the USA that was actually turbo.
Only S chassis that came in the USA that was turbo. Wow. And it's a Nissan what?
S12.
S12. A Nissan.
200 SX.
S12. Okay. Look, just like the A86.
Man, leave the patina.
Oh, man.
The patina.
Pushing first. Oh, look at that. Don't put that stuff in.
You wiping your booty. Ooh. Nice. HKS exhaust. Look at that stand. That's that. I'm about to take my canister back home with me. Stand. Okay. Okay. No power steering.
I don't know who is who. Coming through with that Lancer Evo. I got the Super 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that